Hey guys! So, welcome to Wroclaw, Poland. Ayan. So, andito kami ngayon. Kakarating lang namin. Kaya tignan nyo naman ang aming mga fest. Wala pa kaming tulog ng maayos. Kasi nag-hire lang kami ng car na magdadala sa amin dito. Dito kami sa AIRBNB. Malapit lang siya sa may sentro. Tapos, i-link ko na lang dito yung address. Itong Airbnb. Para kung gusto ninyo pumunta dito sa Wroclaw, Poland, pwede nyo i-hire to place na to. Super nice naman siya and sulit sa budget. Yeah, so itutour ko po na kayo kung ano yung itsura nitong Airbnb. Tapos after, kasi nga now it's already 7 o'clock in the morning. Yung gagawin muna namin, matutulog muna kami ngayon. Tapos saka na kami mamaya hapon maglakwat siya kasi sobrang tuloy-tuloy yung puyat. Yeah. So, with any further ado, itutour ko kayo dito sa Airbnb na to para sa susunod kayo din naman yung pumunta dito. Let's go! So guys, ganito yung sa may bathroom nila. May shower, tas yung heater nila. So, yung heater nila, guys, kailangan mo daw yan, i-control. Tapos, ito, yung heater nito, i-on mo lang to. I-on mo. So, nag-provide din sila ng towels and laundry machine dito. Tapos, toilets provided din nila. Yung toilet and yeah, may mga stuffs din dito. So, katulad nito, iron, blower, sponges, and yan. May Colgate pa silang provide, to shaver. Okay, tapos may mga cleaning materials if something happens that you need to clean. Ayan. So, may ganito. Ayan. So, below, they have provided some tissue papers also. Yes, and there are some lights above and sockets for here. Yung sabay si heating system. Yan. Balik na lang. So, ito yung room. Ayan, may maliit na desk dito. And, ito yung sa may window. Try nating buksan. Ayan. So, tignan nyo yung weather ngayon. Umuulan talaga. Hopefully, later, maging okay yung maging okay yung weather naman. Thank you, Jill! See you! So, ito na yung sa kitchen area. May mga high stools sila na dalawa. And table. Tapos, ito yung kitchen. So, yung maganda, itong kitchen, na-appreciate ko din. May refrigerator dito. And so, ganyan yung refrigerator. Tapos, magkagandahan, may dishwasher. Ayan, so may dishwasher din sila dito. And may oven. So, okay. Okay naman siya. And dito, garbage area. Tapos, ito naman. Ayan. So, may mga utensils. May mga pang-slice. Knives, pang-cook, pang-bake. And, yeah, may mga posporo na rin dito. This is nice. So, may din, puncher, stapler, and for this one, may, yan, ito. So, may din sila dun, no? Parang baking mixer and stuffs. So, may mga cleaning materials. And for things on top, they have the glasses, and cups, and mugs. So, may plates dito. And they also provided some coffee, ha? That is so nice. And, meron tayong lutuhan. So, this is new. We don't have like this sa Finland. But, I think we're going to handle it. So, there is also this exhaust. That is very nice. Okay, so there are drawers there. It says staff only. So, we don't need to open that one. And what's here below, we have the pans, chopping boards, cups, mugs, platitos. Yeah, this is so nice. Very complete, and you have the broom for cleaning. But I was thinking for the baking paper, yeah, I think we need to buy ourselves the baking paper if ever we're going to bake something. And for the bed, this is actually a sofa bed, and our friend helped us to put it down kasi ang complicated niya. But yeah, we have already prepared our bed, and that's a cabinet. On the cabinets, there are actually more blankets, and yeah, it's quite a little bit cold in here. Oh yeah, and then if you're going to have the laundry, they have the kabayo, kung saan mo pwedeng planchahin yung bado mo, yung gamit mo. Tapos ito, it's where you're going to hang the clothes after washing them. And they have some hangers here, just a small cabinet, and yeah, more storages. And yes, we're charging already. So they have also this one. And I think they have also, yeah, they provided already a Wi-Fi. Sorry for this. I'm just gonna put it here for a while. Yes. So, yeah, we have this remote control. Oh, it's back to back. It's my first time to see something like this. Okay, so it's back to back. Maybe we can turn on na. So, yeah, it's like that. So, where is this? Yan. I don't know what's happening. It's not turning on. But they also have this Wi-Fi. So it's there. This is the Wi-Fi. And for this one, they have this heating system. Ah, okay. So I think we need this one. Yeah. Because it's quite cold. The floors are quite cold. But yes, that's the tour for this little and cute home. Abode for 3 days. So that's it, guys, for this room tour dito sa may Airbnb namin. And yan, I'll see you in a while. Pagkasya